All right, we got us our new pop here, and it just got here. Just gonna like, whoa. What's up, man? It's taller than I.
Take a look inside real quick.
Am I allowed to? Are we allowed to? No, yeah.
I mean,
Oh yeah, he's lifting it up right now. You gotta put me in it. Are they literally doing the ice thing you were talking about?
They just set the ice down on the pad.
Oh, no fucking way. All right, so look. Wow. Okay, so they're gonna pick this concrete thing up. I don't know how much it weighs just yet. And they're gonna set it on those bags of ice right there. And those bags of ice are gonna carry the weight so they can remove the straps. I gotta ask Kirk how much. I think we got the bunker for free. But the crane company owned it and they just wanted to get rid of it. But I think it's costing quite a bit. Oh, she's up. So we're gonna set that on the ice. It's blowing my mind. These boys know what they're doing now. That's actually pretty nice. It's got like the vent thing, or maybe it's an air conditioning location. Oh, I can't wait to see inside of this thing. We're about to go in her and shit, this is gonna take 5 minutes. Wow. Oh, isn't that something? So it's just 6 bags of ice. I think that's like where their sign went to say it was like a fucking nuclear bunker or something. No way, dude. Is it bigger than the pad? I think it's bigger than the pad. Hey Kirk, is it bigger than the pad?
It is.
By a lot?
They told me it was 10 by 10. It turns out it's 10.5 by 12.5. Our pad's 11 by 11. So we're good on sideways dimension. We should have a 3-inch underhang, but on
I can't wrap.
Crazy.
I can't wrap my brain that 8 bags of ice is gonna. How much does this thing weigh?
12,000 pounds.
12,000 pounds. 8 bags of ice is gonna do it.
Like about I'm gonna get a center point here, center point on that side. If it's overhanging,
I mean, it's not gonna matter, right?
Not really. I don't really see why. I mean, he doesn't seem to think it does. The thing weighs 30,000 pounds, though. Oh, it's 30.
30,000?
12,000. 30,000 pounds. They said I don't know how they weighed it, but they said they weighed it today when they picked it up.
Like the crane can. The pad is gonna sink.
Probably 6-inch pad supported every week.
Oh, so it's gonna sink. That's the foundation. It's gonna sink down to the ground anyway. I mean, especially after a couple months or something.
Yeah, so that thing definitely weighs it when it picks it up.
Oh wait, no. Oh, I bet you that's a safety feature.
Yep.
Yeah, it has to, because they pick something up too heavy and flip the crane. So were you? Yeah, that's nuts, dude. I can't. Just the ice. Like, we filled the cooler up with ice and you break it. You know what I mean? Like, step one, you start cracking it.
Water is a pretty amazing element.
So that, yeah, that's crazy, man. I was flying. I was like, I don't want to miss it. I saw the crane up in the air and I just like jumped out of the car. I can't wait to see inside. I like how the air conditioner thing's up high.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know, was that an air conditioner or was that a vent?
I assume it was an air conditioner. There's no other penetration for it, and there's a vent down there.
Oh, in the door, yeah.
So I was just texting Aaron about coming out to get a wall pack for it, and you know, it just has it has 2 electric panels. It has a changeover
for a generator,
an extension cord for the
oh, okay, yeah.
inside. So that's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I just.
It's pretty cool that at 30,000 pounds they can still this one.
Right, yeah, it's just like the fact that it's not even like single threaded. You know what I mean? Like, so you're moving quite a bit when you're trying to spin her. No way, dude.
About 4 inches.
How much was this Joker?
Well, are you square?
That includes
Free delivery?
free delivery.
Okay. I thought that it was free, but we paid for the delivery. It was kind of...
It's the free part.
Right.
Delivery
I
is
got
like
you.
where they want, you know, to get
Are you square? I mean, you front to
I
back.
actually need them to install it and deliver. So,
Oh, they made their money,
put
yeah.
money back and forth.
No way, dude. Look at that.
Hold on. Hey, Kurt, can you push that back end around a little bit till this side squares up? Go back down.
Uh-oh. They don't know. They don't know about Kirk's health insurance.
Wiggle back. Pull it down this up. All right, right there.
I just
Hey,
can't.
I'm 4 inches this way too far, but if you got it lined up, I'd say it's good. I thought we got on that side. It's equal. I got it.
Wow. Look, just the. I mean, I'm guessing that the ice, it just goes to that.
It's just so they can straps out.
Yeah. But like the amount of compression, it's wild. The fact that you could put that ice in your mouth and crush it. You know what I mean? But I guess when it interlocks itself, it's almost like crush and run. You know what I mean? Like the ice kind of locks itself together.
Well, it's gotta come this way 2 inches. It's probably about 6 times.
I mean, because those straps are probably $1,000 a piece, right? Yeah. They don't want to leave them behind.
Square? Pretty close to it. They've got to get inspected all the time too.
What in the world, dude? That is ridiculous. And they just flop the strap right out like it was nothing. And the ice just gonna melt her right on down. Wow, that is something to see. I guess it does become a little bit of a time crunch as you're melting slowly.
Yes, I mean,
I would imagine all that pressure is producing a lot of heat.
yeah.
Like that ice is probably melting quick.
Still take a bar, wiggle it around a little bit if you want.
Wow.
For maybe a half an hour.
That's wild.
Yeah. We'll call it again if we need to adjust it.
Yeah, right. 10 grand of spinner. So this is like grounding. So this was a bunker for a tower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because that's how they brought all their stuff in. Oh, I can't wait to go inside. What's that? Is that part of their rig?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, a stabilizer or something.
I think with the straps to have something.
I bet you if you bought this brand new today, it wouldn't even be as good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like it's probably like just built so ridiculous. Oh, so much fun. So it looks like the ice did melt. I mean, hell, it's 90 degrees today. If the ice didn't melt, we have a real problem. It's a big Bell Atlantic. It's just some of the cool shit that came out of it. Oh man. We got us a nice Bell Atlantic box here. Oh yeah, dude. That's so overkill ridiculous. Well, let me ooh, god damn, it is hot. Let me take a piss and we'll go inside this thing. All right, so it's hot. I got my light on. So this is, from what I understand, a oh damn, they cleaned the shit out of it. This is a Verizon Long Lines pop. So they did run microwave here. So the only way I can, whoa. All right, hold on. Let's start over at the beginning because there's a lot going on up in here. This is a manual. That's a manual lockout style transfer switch. It's gonna basically, you have to think to then go into the bypass mode. We're not gonna be using that, but it's cool. This is just some Verizon nonsense that they wanted this on the outside. And I assume they took that up to there. It looks like somebody's come in and cut all the copper out of here, which is whatever. 100 amp main breaker. And this was the transfer switch. So they had a 100 amp panel, a 100 amp transfer switch. So when you transfer over the generator, now you're transferred over to generator. Basically these guys here, where your generator. So now this is literally the generator plug. So they would just take this out, plug it into the generator, I guess, in an emergency situation. 100 amp panel, surge arrestor. They're stupid. Hell if I know what this thing is. This was the automatic. So this basically was the automatic transfer switch. So they had a manual transfer switch to this 100 amp panel. They also had an automatic transfer switch. So they had two generators, I'm guessing, here. And that probably made them the classification of having two power sources. This is the wall where they would have put all their cases, I assume. It's kind of a strange setup. They have vertical ladder there for that. Obviously the air conditioner went here. It's sitting over there on the ground. Dude, honestly, that thing probably still works, which is funny because of how stuff is. This was their crack security system. This is a microwave 24 volt supply. So cool, dude. I think that breaker's broke. local remote. I don't know what that means. So these are 19-inch racks, and we're going to just probably be keeping. No point not to keep them. They came with it. They're free. What is that? That's weird, right? Hang on. We got a Cisco router here. Yikes. We got some VHS cassettes, week 1, 2, and week 5. So based on my deduction here, week 3 and 4 must have been crazy, dude. Wow. Look at these controls, man. We're getting rid of all that. Oh, Lordy B. Just cut all this out. It's gnarly. That's weird. We have more, like, think about this. 4. There's so many receptacles, more receptacles in this than an apartment would have. Like a 2-bedroom apartment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's just 15, 16. 16 just at ground level. There's 2 more over there, 18. We got a Princess phone. 344, 88, 44. Only the phone company would have something crazy like that. Sure what this was for. Oh, what's in here? Hang on. Let me go get my can wrench. That looks cool. Yeah, pretty cool. It looks as if this was for T1 circuits. Verizon, Pittsburgh, I'd say. It's what PITBP would abbreviate. Customer interface. It's 8 circuits. Customer pot, lightning protection blocks. And then right here, DSL? No way. I don't know if it's actually... Huh. I might want to hang on to this. I think this might not... Yeah, never mind. Future span number 4, span number 3. I don't know. You guys tell me what you think that is. I don't think this is customer... It's a Verizon... If this is a Verizon POP, then why would they have a customer equipment here? Unless they were selling DSL circuits to the customers that were on the tower. Huh. Yeah, I don't know. You guys, you tell me what you think about that, I guess. We got some 66 blocks over here. And considering this is inside of the Verizon telco, this is kind of wompy. It just, like, I don't know. But anyway, good fun. We're going to go look at a pole now. But looks like we are going to end up getting 100 amp service. And we have a spare panel, which is pretty gangster. We got some birds. We got some more birds. We got a hornet over here doing its thing. But, wonder what they had plugged in over here. I wish I could have seen it like fully put together. It's pretty awesome. No smoking. I think that's upside down. Pretty awesome though. Motorola, baby. And this was their UPS, from what I understand. It's a hell of a UPS. I don't know what to do. I guess we're just gonna throw all this away. I mean, it's pretty much useless. Wish there was like some cool. One thing that's funny about the UPS is it has a tester built in. I guess that's this reed tuning meter. Oh man, maybe I just want the top part. Microphone, meter forward, reverse. Oh yeah, I want that top part, baby. Let's look at the back of that. Huh. You guys tell me what you think all this stuff is, if it's worth anything. I'm sure there's somebody in the world that would love it, but I can't take any more nonsense. My wife will probably leave me. There was a key over here in the wall. What's the chances this key opens that? Oh, that's a weird key. All right, well, that's what the inside looks like. Guess we'll go look at this pole. Oh, there isn't a receptacle there. That's weird. That's basically the twist lock that I want to use. I want that twist lock to feed this rack. And then just a convenience receptacle is what we call that. And then after that, I don't need anything. They got lights indoor and outdoor, dude. These people don't play around. And this is nuts. So they wanted to ground their door. Okay? And that is pretty ghetto stuff. But this must have been a serious, like, it must have been something to them. They wanted this thing to be radio sealed up. Well, anyway, fun. I'm gonna carry on, boys and girls. Enjoy the rest of your day.